Epilepsy is very difficult to diagnose, but don't worry, this video is for you. Miriam Lamzi got you covered, so let's do this. Yeah. Hi guys, hi lovely people, how you all are doing? If today's your first time here, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on your post notifications so that you'll not miss any of my video. Is it your first time here, seeing this face for the very first time? My name is Miriam Lamzi, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja. Okay guys, if you have not grabbed me, what are you waiting for? Grab me for more video, more interesting video on how you can treat yourself at the comfort of your home. Okay guys, so guys, please join my membership, and guys, I'm pleading, please don't skip my ad, support my channel in any way you can. Okay, so much, and I will never take your love for granted. If you're my returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much. So let's get right into today's video. Okay guys, Miriam Lamzi is here with another mind-blowing tips on how you can treat epilepsy at the comfort of your home. If it's a video you like to relate with, stay tuned and enjoy yourself. Grab anything grabbable, your peanuts, your Coke, your Fanta. Okay guys, and please, I'm begging you, please don't skip my ad. Okay guys, so in case you will be wondering what is epilepsy, epilepsy is a medical disorder in which seizure can occur anytime, anywhere. Guys, this epilepsy you are seeing is a very chronic brain disease, guys. Okay guys, if this is not taken care of, or if it is not controlled the way it should be, it can lead to so many things. Like, it can lead to somebody quality of life, and it can even lead to severe injury or death. So guys, let me share these few tips with you. In fact, I can't wait to share it with you guys. Please, as I'm going to share the few tips with you, please share it out there to people that need it. Okay guys, don't keep it to yourself. Please share this video. Okay, love you, and let's do this. Okay guys, the first tip that you need is your plantain juice. How are you going to get plantain juice, Miriam Lamzi? Don't worry. All you need to do is go to where plantain tree or plantation is. Don't mind the tune, okay? That is Kogi babe. Okay, so all you need, go to that place, cut the stem. Once you cut it, the juice will come out. Get the juice, take it home, mix it with your raw honey. Make sure your honey is original. After mixing it very well, like if it is, you can get a full cup. I'm giving an instance now. Like, if you can get a full cup of plantain juice, then you are going to mix 1 cup of honey together with it. If it is 3 tablespoons you can get, you mix the same measure of honey with it. So after doing that, make sure you take 1 tablespoon 2 times daily. Okay, and you are going to get a bountiful result. Do this for 3 good months. Okay, it is not something you do today, next tomorrow you don't do it. Do it for good 3 months, guys, and you are going to get a mind-blowing result. Like I always say on the channel, Miriam Lamzi prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. Do that and come back to my comment section to thank me, guys. I'm pleading, don't keep this information to yourself alone. Share it to people that need it. Please, don't mind me. You can share it to people that need it. Okay guys, help the channel and God is going to bless you. Yes, let's go to the second tip. Okay guys, the second tips that you need is oil fish or fish oil fish. Guys, that is what you need. If you cannot lay your hands on oily fish, like fish that have oil, that has oil in it or on it or in it, guys, so guys, the best thing that I prescribe for you is omega-3. Like, we know omega-3 is made from, is it salmon fish, that oily fish. Okay, omega-3, guys, if I don't get it correctly, please leave it in the comment section. Like I said, I'm open to correction. Okay, so I prefer omega-3, or I prescribe omega-3 for you. Taking omega-3 at this point in time, don't take, you just go and buy one pack of omega-3, then you take today, next tomorrow you don't take. Do it, buy it and use it to take care of yourself. Continue taking omega-3, okay, till you notice that when you go for checkup, they'll tell you the thing has disappeared totally, okay? So guys, please do this and come and thank me in the comment section. Miriam Lamzi prescribe and God do the healing. So guys, the last tips, the last but not the least tips that I'm going to share with you is passion flower. Oh my God, how are you going to achieve it? How are you going to get it? Get your passion flower, both the leaves and the flower. Put it into a very hot water. Add your raw honey to it, original honey, and stir together. Then be taking 1 glass every day for good 3 months, and you are going to get a bountiful result. Do this and come back to my comment section and thank me later. Guys, please don't keep this video to yourself. Help me share this video so that it can go to so many people that need it. Okay guys, thank you so much. Okay guys, if you find this video very interesting, please give me a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones, and guys, don't forget to join my membership. Okay, I will appreciate if you can support this channel in any way you can. Guys, please join my membership, share my video, help my channel, help my Ramsey, please guys. Okay guys, any of these tips that I just share, you can use anyone you can lay your hands on. It is advisable, it is preferable. Okay, but I'm not to prescribe and God do the healing. Okay guys, so see you in my next one. Bye bye.